Welcome back, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of adjectives, those little words that make a big impact. Adjectives are the secret sauce of the English language, turning dull sentences into vivid images. Whether you're a student, a writer, or just a grammar geek, mastering adjectives can take your English skills from basic to brilliant.
What are adjectives? So, what exactly are adjectives? In simple terms, adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns, people, places, things, or ideas. Think of them as the artist's brushstrokes in your sentences. Instead of saying, I saw a dog, you say, I saw a big, fluffy dog. Suddenly, you're not just seeing any dog. You're seeing a big, fluffy dog. See how adjectives paint a picture?
Adjectives answer questions like, what kind? How many? Which one? And let's be honest, they're like the Instagram filters of the English language, making everything look and sound just a little bit better.
Examples of adjectives in sentences. Let's sprinkle some adjectives into our sentences.
Original. The house is old. Adjective magic. The beautiful, ancient house stood proudly on the hill.
Original. She wore a dress. Adjective magic. She wore a stunning, red, sequined dress. See the difference? Adjectives transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. Instead of plain descriptions, you're adding flair, emotion, and personality. Degrees of adjectives. Comparative and superlative. But wait, there's more. Adjectives don't just describe, they compare. There are two special degrees of adjectives, comparative and superlative.
Comparative adjectives. These compare two things. Think bigger, smarter, or funnier. You're stacking one thing against another, showing that one has more of a quality than the other. Example, my dog is bigger than your dog. Classic dog competition.
Superlative adjectives. These go all out, comparing three or more things. It's the extreme level, like taking home the gold medal. Examples? Biggest, smallest, smartest, funniest. It's the most, the greatest, the best. My dog is the biggest on the block. You just won the dog Olympics.
Quick tip, watch out for irregular adjectives that don't play by the rules. For instance, good becomes better and best, not gooder and goodest. Language loves to keep us on our toes.
Quick exercise. Add adjectives to sentences. Time to put this into practice. I'll give you a sentence. You add the adjectives. The car is parked outside. Spiced up. The sleek, shiny car is parked right outside the bustling cafe. She has a cat. Spiced up. She has a mischievous, orange cat with sparkling blue eyes. See how just a few descriptive words can change the whole vibe? It's like taking your sentence from black and white to full color.
Adjectives and SEO. Why they matter. Believe it or not, adjectives play a big role in the digital world too. Think about SEO. Search engine optimization. Keywords like best, top, amazing, and affordable are adjectives that drive traffic to content. If you're writing online, adjectives aren't just about being descriptive. They're about grabbing attention and standing out in a crowded digital space.
Common mistakes with adjectives. Let's quickly touch on some common pitfalls. Mixing up comparative and superlative forms is a classic error. It's more beautiful, not beautifuler. And for superlatives, it's most beautiful, not most beautifulest. Remember, adjectives don't need extra fluff. They're already doing the heavy lifting. Another mistake? Overuse. Too many adjectives can make sentences clunky. Instead of the very tall, extremely old, and quite dusty book. Opt for the tall, dusty book. Less is more, friends.
And there you have it, a crash course in adjectives. Adjectives are more than just descriptive words. They're the storytellers, the scene setters, and the mood makers of your sentences. Master them, and your writing will never be the same. Ready for more? In our next lesson, we'll be tackling adverbs, the words that tell us how, when, and where actions happen. Until then, keep experimenting with adjectives. and see how they can elevate your language skills. Remember, adjectives aren't just about words. They're about making your message memorable. So, like, subscribe, and let's keep exploring the magic of English together.